Furthermore, the public charging devices that are available are highly concentrated in London at the expense of the north and other areas of our country. There are now more public charging devices, Mr. Bone, in Westminster alone than 11 of the biggest northern cities combined. And this gap is stretching out wider still. Over the last 3 months, for example, more devices have been installed in Westminster than any other English region outside of London. While this government sits on its hands, the regional divide continues to get worse and worse. If the government does not get a grip of this, those in more rural areas and less affluent areas are destined to be excluded from this transition, as very ably demonstrated by my honourable friend, the member for Caithness, Sunderland and Easter Ross, and indeed the member for Bath. Even when motorists are able to find a charging device, Mr. Bone, all too often they find out that it is too expensive, complicated to use, or not even working at all. Research carried out by the RAC showed that the cost of rapid charging on the public network rose by 50% in the 8 months up to January 2023. The AIA indeed has warned that the cost of public charging could become comparable to high-emission alternatives. This should be a huge cause for concern. Cheaper running costs are a major selling point for switching over to electric vehicles. To lose this means risking the transition altogether.